A former Contra Costa County deputy becomes the latest East Bay police officer ordered to stand trial on criminal charges for his alleged sexual involvement with an underage teenager. An Alameda County judge did not buy the argument from Ricardo Perez's attorney that he didn't know the girl was a minor. ABC 7 News reporter Laura Anthony is live at the East County Hall of Justice in Dublin. Laura.
This was a preliminary hearing. Much of the testimony involved reading graphic text material so explicit we can't go into it here. But we can tell you that the judge heard enough, ordered this case to trial. It's a walk Jasmine Abuslan will likely take many times into a courtroom to testify against an East Bay cop who she claims to have had sex with. In this case, 29-year-old Ricardo Perez, a former deputy with the Contra Costa County Sheriff's Department. In graphic testimony, Jasmine Abuslan described how she reached out to Perez on Facebook in July 2015, and within 1 month they had sex at least 6 times in his car in the Oakland Hills. Abuslan testified, "He picked me up, we engaged in sexual activity. I performed oral sex on him and we had intercourse."
This is a case where he should be held criminally responsible, and if I were him, and if I were his lawyer, I'd be finding a way to plead guilty so that I wouldn't continue to embarrass my family and friends about this conduct.
Abuslan was also asked to read from dozens of highly explicit texts and Facebook messages between the two, including sending graphic nude selfies back and forth.
Thanks, everyone. Have a good day.
Perez and his attorney declined comment, but in court they argued Perez did not know Abuslan was 17 until months after the sexual interaction. Abuslan read from a text she sent to Perez after she turned 18. "You never suspected I was a 17-year-old drug-addicted hooker?" Abuslan acknowledged she lied to him, telling Perez she was in her 20s, had 4 children, and at one point claiming she was married to an Oakland officer who had committed suicide. In Dublin, Laura Anthony, ABC 7 News.